In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images to vector in Figma, best method. By the end, you'll be able to take a regular image and turn it into scalable vector shapes right inside Figma, so your graphics look crisp at any size. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in. From your recent files or drafts, open the page or file where you want to work. If you already have the image on your canvas, great. If not, bring the image in so it's visible and selected. It helps to center it and zoom in enough to clearly see edges and details. Remember, cleaner images with good contrast generally trace better than blurry or low-resolution ones. With your image ready on the canvas, it's time to use Figma's quick actions and plugins. Look for the action search at the top of Figma. This is the command palette that lets you find features and plugins instantly. Click into that search, type plugin, and then type image tracer. When you see image tracer appear, click it and then click run. This launches the tracing process, which analyzes your selected image and converts it into vector paths. Depending on the size and complexity of the image, this can take a moment. Larger images or very detailed photos may need a bit more time. When the plugin is finished, you'll see a preview and the vector result ready to place. Figma will position the vector for you so you can compare it against the original. To confirm and add the result to your canvas, click Place Traced Vector. You should now see a group of vector layers that you can edit just like any other shapes in Figma. Try selecting individual parts to check that they're truly vector paths. You can change fills, adjust strokes, tweak anchor points, and scale the graphic without losing quality. If the traced result looks heavy or overly complex, that's normal with detailed images. You can keep the original image on a separate layer as a reference while you review the vector. Consider hiding and showing the original to compare sharpness and edges. Figma auto-saves your file, so your traced vector is preserved as you go. That's it. Open Figma, open your page, prepare your image, use action to find the plugin, run image tracer, and place the traced vector. You now have a clean, scalable vector version of your image ready for logos, icons, or print-ready designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.